Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Rawr. Extra noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your bolts from across the floor. Noses your Nicky Wacky till they Matilda, hee hee. Unzips your baggiest pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me wag my widow baby tail off for your bulgy wulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likey suzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me. Gotta hit him with his furry shit. He won't see it coming.
Yeah! I just fucking beat. Oh my god! Oh my god! I beat Misfire! I beat Misfire! Oh my god!
I looked at my monitor and you're at like
I beat
80.
Misfire!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Let's go!
Oh my god!
Dude!
What a fucking joke!
Get the clip! Get the clip!
I beat it on April Fools!
No fucking way!
Dude. How many attempts was that? My face went numb. Like when I got to 90.
Oh my. No, I saw you get past the click and I was like, oh my fucking god.
I thought I clicked too early as well.
Yo!
38,880 attempts.
GG.
Oh, dude.